Today on New Home Communities with the Rakers Home Group, we are pleased to introduce to you the remarkable new home community of Hyland Trail, located in the picturesque area of Green Cove Springs, Florida. Hi, I'm Eric Rakers with Dane Coussens. This thriving community is developed by two esteemed builders, Dreamfinder Homes and Pulte Homes.
Together, they offer an impressive selection of over 14 distinct floor plans, ensuring that potential homeowners can find the perfect fit for their lifestyle and preferences.
Hyland Trail is just not about beautiful homes. It also boasts an array of resort-style amenities designed to enrich the living experience of its residents. For those who appreciate the outdoors, the community features a thoughtful design walking trail where one can enjoy the scenic surroundings. Families will be delighted to discover a splash park, perfect for children to play and enjoy the sunny days in, as well as a well-maintained sports area catering to a variety of athletic activities.
Additionally, residents can relax and socialize by the community pool or engage in a friendly competition on the pickleball courts. With so much to offer, Hyland Trail is more than just a place to live. It is a vibrant community that fosters a sense of belonging and an active lifestyle.
We invite you to explore these possibilities that await you here at Hyland Trail, where modern living meets exceptional amenities.
Hello, welcome to the Edison 2 made by Dreamfinder Homes in Hyland Trail. This is a 4 or 5 bedroom home, 3 baths, 2-car garage with 2289 square feet. You have options such as a formal dining room or study or gourmet kitchen if you desire. Come, let's take a look and see what they have to offer.
Welcome to the Avalon model, another one of 12 models available here at Hyland Trail by Dreamfinders Homes. Features 2493 square feet, 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and a 3-car garage with an open floor plan and a great gourmet kitchen. Let's go check this out.
This is the Medina made by Pulte Homes in Hyland Trail. This is a 2,142 square foot home, features 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2-car garage, and it comes with a gourmet kitchen. Come, let's check the rest of the home out.
Welcome to this Easily model built by Pulte Homes. This house features a 26 to 2856 square foot option, a 3 or 4 bedroom option, and a 2.5 and 3.5 bath option, along with a 3-car garage. Let's go take a look at this beautiful home we have available here. All right, I hope you guys like what we showed you today. For more information on this neighborhood, along with builder incentives on all move-in ready and newly built homes, give us a call so we can provide that information for you.
And if you like this video, please subscribe and like and share. We'd love to see you. Please give us a call anytime if you have any questions.
We'll see you soon.